What's up, guys? We back at it again. Hope you guys like yesterday's content. If you didn't, check it out from yesterday's content so you can get started today. Today we're doing another series on the Nissan 240. So on that note, and then we're gonna get started on today's episode. So sit back, relax, enjoy the show. By the way, for y'all didn't watch yesterday's video, it was basically a DIY video on my window. Yay! Yay! So I got my window back. So finally made it to the garage. Yes, it's way later in the day. Things came up as far as family wise, so I had to help them out and whatnot. So well, I'm here now. So let's go ahead and get started on what we are doing today in our video in the garage. So I have some sandpaper, some grit sandpapers that I'm gonna start this off with. I'm gonna go 400, 600, 1,000. It's gonna be the last grit. Might do this 800 grit. I might see. But yeah, I already got my bucket of water. So that's in there. Plus I got more water right here heating up in front of the heater. I got all three of my heaters heating up because I want to get this place nice and warm. Even though we ain't gonna need it, but. So we're gonna start off with 400 grit. Sand this sucker down with 400 grit, and then etc. Okay guys, so I have a question for you. I'm looking at this 3M body repair sand scratch steps, and it says on here the yellow means basically free to remove, and that's anywhere from 24 grits to 80 grits. Smooth is anywhere between 80 to 320. Blend is anywhere from 400 to 1,000, and then of course, you know, the last part is polish, from 12 to 5,000 grits. I'm wondering, should I start this step with 320, then go up to 400? Nah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and stick to the regular 400 grit. Let's go ahead and do the 400 grit right here, and it should be fine. Let's break it down in steps. So, but I honestly want to know, if all you body guys out there, please leave down in the comment, was that step that I'm about to do is right or wrong? Because I'm not sure. I mean, I've looked up everything I could look up, and I think I'm doing this right, other than maybe like the body parts that a lot of you guys probably don't like. But for the most part, I think I'm doing good. Leave me a comment down in the bio or down in the description. So I just sanded the car down with 400 grit. It came out good. I mean, got the whole car with, part of the car with 400 grit. Hit the car, hit the doors, 400 grit. Hit the fire with 400 grit. Okay. And kind of knock down some of the runs. Yeah. We're not even gonna talk about this. Yeah. But yeah. Woo! Alright. Next is about to do this 800 grit. No, I'm sorry, not 800. 600 grit. About to be about this life. 600 going in now. So, just did this car with 600 grit. I gotta tell you, each grit, you can feel it getting smoother and smoother. I know I wiped a bunch of water on there, but ain't too much. But it's smooth as hell. And I think that's what you're looking for when you're doing this. Well, scratch that, I think. I know that's what you're looking for. I gotta get down in these crevices though. So, yeah, but for the most part, 600 grit has been done. That. So I've been done here. Doors has been hit with 600. By the way, I'll just show you guys right now since I'm here. I got a little small infection right here. Let me see. I don't know. Yeah, it comes up in camera. Right there, right there. But I have some other primer that I am going to be spraying down on here before I go. And then I have to sand that back down. Just really showing right here. And really showing right there. I mean, for the most part, it still got some dirt in the primer. I can feel it. I can even see some of it on camera. Like some spots it's gonna be okay, some spots it's not. But I mean, I'm learning, so hopefully when I do this again, it'll be all right. So it's the back of the trunk, and of course, you know, this whole quarter panel to the top. Let me see the can primer I got. I got primer, filler, and sand. Got this primer. There you go, 2 in 1. So what I'm gonna do is put that can on top of that. Hopefully it shouldn't melt it. It's gonna heat it up a little bit, but I do it towards the end. I'd spray it down on the bad spots. So that'll be done. All right, the last one's 1,000 grit. 1,000 grit. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the trunk, the top, and the 2 doors with 1,000 grit. I'm not gonna hit the quarter panels all down there because that doesn't really matter to me. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, it's decent. So yeah, let me get my 1,000 grit and start doing it. Got the little pad thing, and I got the paper. As soon as I find the paper. I was gonna do 800. I might do, you know what? No, because the door jam to me is not that much important. All right, and I got this. So I hit the car with 1,000 grits, sandpaper, and he is good, smooth as a baby's. You know what? So now I'm about to go ahead and tack rag it down, and then do some cinematics. And I don't know what else after that. I think that might be today's. I don't know. We shall see. Let me go ahead and tack rag it down. So just got finished using my tack rags, as you can see. So let me show you the car, how much it cleaned up. Didn't do the doors. Figure I save them for last. Alright guys, this is the part we're gonna cue to the cinematics.
Cookie pack, OG pack, top shelf gas, only thrash. I'm a dog, need Scooby snacks. Lace my woods with hash and wax. Giving deals, no need to tax. When you getting it like that. Cookie pack, OG pack.
Y'all know me, cause all I do is ride around the Bentley coupe. You know we had to go shopping one more time, right? I think we forgot something.
Y'all know me, cause all I do is ride around the Bentley coupe. Y'all know me, cause all I do is ride around the Bentley coupe. Y'all know me, cause all I do. Y'all know me, cause all I do. Y'all know me, y'all know me, y'all know me, y'all know me.
Make sacrifices, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm making a sacrifice, saying that I'm not disappearing from YouTube. I'm just simply taking a month break for me to get money up together and to think about the next content, because so many people told me on Instagram, George, you are so close to being done, which I am. It's just coming down to like the little tedious things. Front end, body kit, engine, the engine that I wanted to go in here. Yeah, I had to switch things up, so I got to be more realistically where my money's at right now, and not keep you guys waiting on for that progress either. I guess while I'm here, I can talk about engine. So let me get this straight. I was gonna put a 2J in here, or I was looking at an RB. But then I decided to go 2J. The only reason why I was like, let me go back to RB at the time. Let me go back to RB just recently, because I want to keep it Nissan. I want to keep it within the family. But at the same time, though, I want my Skyliner to be my first enjoyable car with an RB in it. Not trying to say that, I got an RB20, and it's like, oh, I already have one of them in my Nissan S13. So with that said, yes, I'm going the cheap out way. I'm basically going LS. And hear me out before you guys get butt hurt, but LS right now, if there's more, I can go down to the junkyard, pick it up for less money, and build it back here at the garage and still have fun. Later on down the road, guys, you know me, I will take that thing right out real quick and drop something else into this chassis. So don't be too discouraged. If you guys have any comments or anything at the end of this video, please leave it down in my description. I mean, I'm kind of torn with it too, as far as when I'm making decisions for this channel, but it's for the best, I upgraded my camera gear. I'm about to upgrade my software. I mean, just, so much not software, editing and all this stuff, and it just all costs money. Money that I'm pinching off from here and there, so I'm not getting paid for YouTube, but I enjoy leaving you guys comments and leaving y'all guys these videos for you guys to go back and watch, and something for me to go back and watch too, once it's all said and done. And hopefully this year I can drop a banging best of 2018 video for y'all. So that's what I'm focusing on. So that's going to be the next video right after this. Is going to be the next best banging 2018 video. So, guys, take care. I feel like I'm not talking to nobody but you guys in the camera. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for leaving comments. Thanks for subscribing. I appreciate all that. If you can get my videos out to people, let them know. Your boy is trying to get paid doing this, and I'm trying to make things possible for you guys. I want to interact more with my followers than most YouTubers do. So that's what I want to do. I want to interact. I believe in change, and I believe in making people happy and having fun with people, and not just disowning them and whatnot. So, but you guys take care. I'm out. Peace.